I've been asked by a lot of customers, how on earth do you tell when you need a new pillow, a new down or new down and feather pillow? Well, it is quite easy, really. Is I've got a pillow here that's flopped. So this is a lovely goose down pillow. So what's actually happened here is that the down or feather, if you've got it, it's rubbed together with attrition and turned into dust. And when it reaches this stage, I think you ought to be thinking about buying a new pillow. This is how it should look. Very different. And you can see what's actually happened. That the usage and it's just the down has rubbed together and turned into dust. So really, you ought to be thinking in terms of getting a new pillow when it reaches that stage. Some people keep pillows for years and years and years, which is not really very hygienic to do it, really. I've also been asked, why, with all the different pillows that are available, why do you actually have your own pillow? Because we do have 27 different varieties of pillows to try and cater for side sleepers, back sleepers, and everything, but they have allergies, so on and so forth. Now, all our pillows, bar one, are made in the UK, and we are very passionate of bringing back those qualities of the 1980s that I've talked about. Why do we have them made to our own specification? It's so we know what the filling is. We know what goes into the filling. We know the quality of the cambric is up to the highest standard. And also a big thing, which we've introduced fairly recently, is that in the past, if you had allergies at all, you had to have a synthetic pillow, which, whilst we still sell them, you know, they're really not as comfortable and soft and luxurious as this, for instance. So what we've done, we've actually had these pillows made so they're all hypoallergenic. So if you've got allergies, you don't have to worry. You don't have to sacrifice the comfort of a lovely goose down or duck down, or duck and feather down, or whatever you decide. So that's why we have them made in the UK, so we can control them. And they are just lovely. And I know some of the pillows are very expensive, but we have some more reasonable pillows as well. And I hope you take the opportunity of trying them. You can go on our website, which is woodsfinelinens.com, and have a look. Made in Britain, in the most part, apart from one. And that one hopefully will be made in the UK as well soon, but we're not quite there yet. All made to our own specifications. Thank you so much for listening.